morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, June 8th, and today is a super exciting day. I've seriously been waiting for this day for so long now, and I'm so excited that it's here. It's like Christmas all over again. We had a really nice family friend of mine who was a teacher for years and years and years and years. Like, I want to say over 20 years. She actually went to college with my dad, and she lives in Las Vegas right now. She is no longer teaching, so she just had all of her like teacher stuff just kind of sitting in her garage with no use. And so when she found out that I was getting a job as a teacher, she asked if I wanted it, and of course I said yes. And as nice as she is, she gave it all to me for free, and I cannot be more thankful for it. I mean, becoming a teacher and like starting your own classroom is insanely expensive, and so to get all this stuff for free and just have to have all these resources and things, I think it's just absolutely amazing. So it was so nice of her. But we just had to ship it across the country, so we actually rented like a U-Haul pod, basically, like one of those those big boxes that you can ship. So there's like close to 50 boxes inside of this pod, and it arrived last week, and we are going to go unload it today and bring it all home to my house and look at everything. So I'm really excited to share everything with you guys that I got, and I'm excited to see what's in the boxes myself because I haven't seen what's in them either yet. I do have an inventory list, which I will show you guys in a second. She was so nice and literally like categorized everything and put down, like labeled all the boxes and then wrote exactly what's in each box. So it is really organized. But basically, I went through our playroom yesterday. I know this literally looks a mess. Like, this is just a big storage room right now, and it's just a mess, literally a mess. But this is like all stuff for my sister and I coming back from school, and my teacher stuff that I've been starting to gather. So over here yesterday I went through all of my teacher stuff, and I just took out all of the containers, like storage stuff that I have, so that I can hopefully put some of the things that I get today in these containers as I sort through them. I cleared out this whole space here so that we can put the boxes. Those things there are mine. Most of my stuff I'm actually storing in this room. It's dark, but you can kind of see. Sorry, I had to close that real fast because she likes to try to get in there, and she can't because there's only flooring in half of the room in there, so that's not really a safe spot for her. But yeah, we're gonna place everything here. It's gonna be super full of boxes, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inventory list though, and you can see what kind of things are coming. So this is basically a list of all of the things that she is sending me. Here is all of this stuff. I mean, look at all that. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 5th. It is currently 8:45 in the morning, and I am actually on my way for my first time to go see my classroom and bring stuff to my school. So I don't know how much you can tell, not a whole lot I guess, but there's a whole lot of stuff in my car. My whole back seat is full, my whole trunk is full, and my sister is actually ahead of me right now driving. She is coming with me to help, and she has her entire car full as well. We have a lot of stuff. I don't even know if I would say that what we have though is like even half of the load. Like, there's so much stuff that I am bringing down. I'm taking it down today because I am kind of limited on times that I can go because of the fact that I'm still living at school for the summer because I'm working up there. I'm moving out the last day of July, and then August 1st I actually have surgery to get my tonsils taken out. So I am supposed to be, they said to expect like 2 weeks of recovery time, which kind of stinks because that's like the first 2 weeks of August, and those are the first 2 weeks that I can like really be in my classroom like doing stuff. So I'm trying to get all of the heavy like lifting and actual like moving of stuff done before then. So since I was home this weekend just for a couple of days, I decided to take a trip down there because my principal said that I can store whatever I need to store in the school. And although my room is like not done yet, it's not cleaned yet, and I'm getting all new furniture, which is really cool. She said I can just put my stuff in there, and the custodians will just move my stuff around as they need to, as they are trying to clean. So that's what we're doing today. We're taking some stuff down. I'm very, very excited to see my classroom. I'm planning on measuring all of my shelves and different storage spaces that I have so I can figure out what kind of bins are going to fit where and what I want to store where, and just get a feel for the space that I have on the walls to cover and all that fun stuff. So it's going to be really fun and exciting. I'm very excited about it, and I just can't wait to get in there and see what I have to work with. So Alright you guys, so here is my classroom. I'm so excited to show you guys. This is just a little locker set when you first walk in. There's about 6 lockers, and the kids actually have lockers out in the hallway. So these are just extra lockers, I guess, for storage use. You can see all the storage cabinets I have in the sink. A lot of stuff is covered up by paper just because that's what they do in the summer. So I have some bulletin boards and other cabinets that are covered up by paper, but they are there. I mean, everything looks really dirty. It's not cleaned yet, but it'll get there, don't worry. All the cabinets are pretty much full with lots of different supplies and materials, so that's pretty awesome. I'll have to go through them and see what I have, but I saw some manipulatives, lots of arts and crafts stuff, whiteboards, just really fun things like that. I have a couple of different shelving units and stuff, and all of the furniture in this room is actually going to be replaced. My principal said that I would be generally getting the same furniture, just brand new, but some things might be a little bit different, so that's not here to stay. Now I actually have whiteboards and chalkboards in my room, so that's pretty cool. I'll get to use a little bit of both, but I think that I mostly have chalkboards behind those papers, and then also there are some bulletin boards behind there as well. And then over on the side of the room there's just some more furniture. Back in that corner on the shelves is where I plan to put my library. I think my bins fit perfectly on the shelf. I tested them out. And that thing under the black paper is actually an Elmo projector, so I'm really excited to figure out how that works as well.
Hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand.
Hey guys, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm tired. But we got the job done. I'm sorry I'm whispering because there's like a camp going on right outside. But yeah, I'm so excited to see my room. I'm so excited to be here. There's just so much stuff to work with, and it's gonna be fun. So here's all the stuff that we brought in today. My sister went through and labeled everything with my room number on it. So in case things have to get moved around since they're still cleaning, they know where it goes. So my camera died, so I'm using my phone now. I look a mess, but my sister and I are getting ready to head out. We are finished up what we're doing today. I measured everything. I unloaded everything that we brought. We have, let me show you and turn you around. We have all this stuff up here, kind of better organized and pushed up to the front so it's not so much in the way. I put some like storage containers that I brought up over here, and then there's some things over there, and then I just put some stuff up here too. So yeah, I'm very, very, very excited about it. I think my classroom is going to be so cute. I love the amount of storage and resources that were left for me. I was going through some of the books, the curriculum books. I was going through, these are our math ones. I guess it's investigations is the math curriculum that we use, and then our wonders books for reading are over here. So I was kind of going through them just to look at them, but I'm gonna take them home another day. I don't think I'm gonna take them home today. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and head home. I'm actually going to try to use PowerPoint and like make a layout for my classroom. I'm sorry, I look disgusting. Make a layout for my classroom on PowerPoint. So I'm gonna show you guys when I do that what I'm thinking I'm going to do with the space.